Where the real friends at when you really need them? When I was locked up in the county, I ain't even see them. Hope I'm lonely. What happened to the bitches and the party?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Jai, my famous star baby. So today I'll be talking about skinny guys problem, especially about myself, what I've been through, like what people have said to me like about being skinny. And then yeah, the first thing is for example, let's say I'm just chilling with my friends and we're just having a good time and the conversation is going well and someone just randomly say like, why are you so skinny? Unexpected, like without me expecting it. It's one of them things like we'll be talking about something else and that topic will just come out randomly and yeah, people just be like, why are you so skinny? And it turns like this, it's not cool. And especially like when you go to your friend's house, their mom always want to feed you because they know you're skinny, and especially when you tell them that oh, you're full, they don't want to believe it because they'll be like, oh, because you're skinny, you have to eat more. Everyone think yeah, eating more is the solution for being skinny. People advise you to go gym, and don't you think like if I wanna like don't you think if I wanna get big I would have been to the gym, or don't you think I love myself the way I look? Especially what I said to people is like, do you think I wanna be incredible or you think I wanna be necklace? Like I don't wanna be like one of them guys that don't have neck. So when people say to me like go gym or drink protein shake or whatever, I just tell them like I love myself for who I am and I love myself the way I am. And yeah, and one of the other things, when you're going outside, especially when it's cold, you have to wear a lot of layers just to keep yourself warm. Me personally, every time I go out, I'm always cold. Regardless if I'm wearing a lot of layers or wearing one layer, I'm always cold regardless. Like me personally, like every time I go out, I wear like 2 jackets and I'm wearing like layers underneath. Some of them things that you have to keep myself warm. Not to look big, but just to keep myself warm, you know what I'm saying? So another thing is every time I'm buying clothes, like especially my jeans, I have to get like super skinny jeans. That's the way I like it anyways, but it's one of them ones like to look normal, you have to get proper skinny jeans. And even when I get my jeans, it's one of them ones I have to take to my tailor again to make it fit the way I want it, because majority of the time the bottom of it, like the legs, like doesn't fit the way I want it. So I have to take it to the tailor. And sometimes as well the waist is the problem. Like I can't leave my house without wearing belts. And I say to my friends like I don't know how you lot do going out without wearing belts. Like my bum is too flat for that. I can't even get to do that. My wallet and my phone will be too big for me and will be too heavy. So it's one of them things that I can't do that. Like I can't leave my house without wearing belts. Yeah, people think when you're skinny like you're weak. There's one of them things like everyone thinks every skinny guy is weak. They think that especially girls. Some girls will be like, oh, I can break you because you're skinny. Like and be like, what bitch are you mad? But I'm missing out. But yeah, everyone thinks because you're skinny you're weak. But you know what? I said to them like, you might think I'm weak, but don't get it twisted. She's good to know to fuck with. You don't want to try me. But yeah, as a person like when I do stuff and I know I'm strong, especially when I'm lifting stuff. A lot of people actually told me that I'm quite strong for a skinny guy. But it's just one of the things that skinny people go through, like because when they're skinny, they just think that you're weak. And yeah, another thing is like I don't like getting sick, because when I get sick, people can tell easily, and I lose weight like quick. Because you can tell like when I'm ill, my face, like you can see in my face, and I just look like I look ill like quick, and yeah, I just lose weight quick. So it's one of them things like being skinny as a person, like you don't want to be sick, because when you're sick, it makes you lose more weight. And it's the last thing that you want to happen to you. So I'm always like keeping myself like fit and yeah, anytime anything will happen to me, I make sure I take like medicine quick so I don't get ill. And yeah, another thing is like me as a skinny guy, this is actually the main problem. Like this is what people say like a lot. Everyone tell me like, oh, your legs are too skinny. Like I'll be like, oh, come on, like as a skinny person, what do you expect? Like when you're skinny, you can't expect me to have big legs. Like, come on. Obviously, God created me the way He want me to be. Like, I can't be skinny and my legs will be big. Like, what kind of shit is that? And this thing actually, like, if I say that, oh, it doesn't get to me, I'll be lying. I can't really say it gets to me, don't get twisted, but it's just one of them. It's one of them things like I'm kind of tired of the way people say too much, and I'm just tired of people saying it. Like, I've heard it so much, and it doesn't even really mean anything to me. Like, you can't knock my confidence down, like, because I love myself for who I am. I love myself the way I am, but it's just like you telling me this every time is just annoying. And like I said, I can't say like, oh, I don't care, but at the same time, like, I think about it twice. But it's just one of them ones, like, I'm just tired of people saying it to me. And having skinny legs is just one of them things I don't feel comfortable believing my own, like, with like, what's it called, with shorts. Especially in summer when everyone is wearing shorts. I don't think I can do it. It's not like I don't have the confidence to wear it, but I just don't feel comfortable showing my legs. Especially knowing that I have a skinny leg. Like, people complain enough that I have a skinny leg, so why the hell would I wanna wear skinny? Would I wanna wear shorts? It's just one of them things that, as a skinny guy, we all go through this kind of thing, and especially when you go to the clinic or when you go to like shop to go get a condom, like the look you get from people's face, because they know, like, that's the only good thing they say about skinny people. Like, they know we're blessed. When it comes to the banana, they know skinny guys the skinny guys are blessed. You know that our shit is good enough to fuck with, but yeah. But it's one of them reaction, like when you go to the shop to get a condom, like people reaction are funny because they're always saying like, skinny people have got the long day in it, and yeah. But like, as a person, like, I love myself the way I am. I thank God for me, and it's one of them things that I know God don't have imperfection, so I think I'm perfect the way I am. So if I really want changes about myself, I'll go to the gym or I'll do something about it. But for the way I am right now, I love me for what I am right now. And for one thing I believe is the way I dress, like, I can't really get too big or yeah, because I love myself the way I dress, like, and it's one of them things that if I try to go gym and put on weight, it might not really suit the way I want to look, and that's why I love me being skinny. And I'm sure a lot of people do appreciate me, even though they do complain about me being skinny. They tell me that whenever I wear shit, it bangs on me, and yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. Comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see next. And thanks for watching, and peace.
Tired of fake loving, fake Hollywood ain't about shit. Fake gang banging and claiming the pop shit. Fake titties and cocaine in their nostrils.